welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be styling a bandana easily, like, you know, yeah, in seconds. Even it will not take you that long. So let's dive into it. Make sure that you like the video, shares out there, watch the very end, and you can always check in the description for more videos and also a playlist to more tutorials. Okay, yeah, so let's dive into it. Grab your bandana. Let me place my camera there. So what you do, you let loose your hair like that, you let it go all the way towards the back, and you have to be keen with how I am going to be doing everything. Sawa. So take your hair toward the back like that, and then you take your fold from here to there like that, like this. Make sure this end reaches to the other end. Remember, you can always like use a flat surface or just do it that way. Then place it on your head like this, and then you should look at how I am holding mine, this end and this end, because there's a manner that we want it to form at the front. Okay, like the sun is going away and I want to go back to swim, so something like this. And then at the back you're going to place this small edge inside like that, and then you place this other one at the back like that. And then there you go, you have your Billie Eilish style so easily like that. And then you tuck in these areas. You can try to tuck them in, and remember, you can always adjust your bandana. If it's bigger, you can always try to adjust it. Sawa. Yeah. So there you go. Make sure that you check in the description for a link to more. Let me show you, if you decide to hold your hair, how we're going to look like. And hold it like that. Always pull the bandana. Make sure to always pull the bandana towards the front like that. So easy. Sawa. Alright, I'm telling you guys, like, sawa, it's as if I'm forgetting where my audience is from. So sawa means it's okay, like fine. So sawa. Yeah, that's a Swahili word. Yeah, a Swahili word. So there you have it. But I'm preparing mine with my hair down. I'm loving it that way. Okay, piga look tula watch up. Guys, please like the video, shares out there. Make sure you do subscribe. Love you. This is an easy style. When you have braids, you have your own hair. You can even choose to let your hair like this onto one side. Sawa. See you on the next one.